Hey, this is Julia in Conejo Valley, and today, as the Chamber Ambassador, I came to the ribbon cutting events for the Woodworkers Retreat. It's a very new concept. This is a retreat, like a center, where anybody can come and work on a woodworking project that you might have. And it's going to be open to the public. It's going to have couples night. It's going to have lots of classes. And inside it's just amazing. I have never seen so many equipments in my life, and it's just like a fully loaded environment. So let me show you what I saw today, okay?